To begin this project, put the tracer in the middle of your paper. You're going to trace the bottom portion regular and smooth, but you're going to trace the top half with a super fuzzy looking line. Then you can do the same shape to the left, a smooth bottom and fuzzy top, and you can do it to the right. Smooth bottom, fuzzy top. The fuzzier and littler your zigzags are, the better. The next thing you're going to do is draw a beautiful zigzag line across the bottom so that the smooth part becomes an eggshell. And then you may draw an upside down triangle beak for your 3 baby chicks. A chick might have beady little black eyes with a little shine. And then it's time to color. We're doing a technique with our watercolor called wet on wet. So gather your watercolor, gather your water, and begin by wetting your paper inside the lines. Just clear, clean water. And then we're putting wet watercolor on top of that wet paper. That makes it a nice light pastel red, which means pink. During this time of year, we love pastel colors. Pastel means they're light and have some white inside of them. I'm noticing I forgot to wet my paper, so this yellow is a little bit dark. You might forget to wet your paper too, but you can go back and add more water to make it a pastel color. This should be a light pastel yellow, and it'll get lighter. Then for your third one, you can wet your paper with your brush, wetting around the beak and into the eggshell. And we're going to do a pastel blue baby chick. So I'm putting wet blue onto the wet paper, wet on wet, and it's going to be a very light, fluffy blue. And it's also going to go onto my eggshell. Now we're going to add a second color to the bottom of these eggshells, so that is a surprise what color chick is inside. So first I'm going to use the last color I was using, which is blue, and I'm going to put that over on my red eggshell to make it a light violet color. The last chick I visited was red, so I'm going to use red on the shell of my yellow chick to give it a pastel orange shell. And the last chick I visited was yellow, so I'm going to give some yellow to the blue birdie's shell, and it is turning light pastel green. If you want to paint your beaks yellow, you may. And now we have 3 pastel Easter colored birdies. Enjoy.